in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you I'm dropping, but I know how to play your thing. Something that makes me look at you too out there. Maybe you can give me something. Maybe you can run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Then my body
Okay, y'all, this is me realizing that I did not braid my hair down. So this is me realizing again. We're gonna braid the top of my hair. You can kind of see it at the top. I just braided my hair up so that I will be able to wrap the wrapping paper around it. Okay, y'all, this is the final look and I absolutely love it. Make sure you share this video with a friend who you think will love it also, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.